Hello and welcome to our video on 55 tips and tricks to master WhatsApp on your iPhone. Whether you're a seasoned WhatsApp user or new to the app, we got you covered with some awesome hacks to enhance your experience. Number 1. Customize your WhatsApp setting to suit your preference. Open your WhatsApp, then tap on Setting in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Profile to edit your profile picture and also your name. You can also change your status by tapping on Status and choosing from available option, or you can creating by your own. Number 2. Add contacts quickly. To add a new contact on WhatsApp, tap on Chats at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on New Chat and select New Contact. You can enter the contact's name and phone number. After that, you can tap on Save to add the contact to your list. Number 3. Create groups. WhatsApp allows you to create groups for multiple contacts to chat and share file with. To create a group, tap on New Group in the Chat tabs and select the contacts you want to add to the group, and give the group a name and profile picture. Number 4. Customize your notification. How to do it? After you open your WhatsApp, go to Setting and select Notification. And then you can adjust the app's notification setting to your liking, like the sound. And then when you're done, you can tap Save. You can also adjust to the other option like the reaction, show notification, and so on. Number 5. Use Siri to send message. Firstly, you can activate Siri and say, send a message to contact name on WhatsApp. To dictate and send a message hands-free. You can open on the phone setting and then select Siri Insert, and you can activate one of the two options like press side button for Siri or listen for Hey Siri. For example, I'm going to activate press side button for Siri, and then I press the side button until the Siri icon is appear on your screen. And then I will Hey Siri, send a message to Zaid. Zaid Ganteng.
Your message to Zaid Ganteng says, side button until the Siri icon is appear on your screen, and then I will. Seems like you usually message Zaid Ganteng with messages, so I'll use that one. Send it?
Yes, send it.
Sent.
Yes. Number 6. Schedule messages. You can download a third-party app like Scheduler for WhatsApp to schedule message to be sent at a specific time. We open the App Store and then you can type Scheduler for WhatsApp on the searching bar. Then you can select one of the recommendation list application here. Number 7. Use WhatsApp on airplane mode. You can type and drive a message while in airplane mode. Then you can send it when you're back online. Number 8. Mark messages as unread. Swipe right on a message and select Mark as unread to remind yourself to respond later. Number 9. View all media from a chat. Go to a chat and tap the contact's name at the top, then select Media, Link, and Docs to view all media shared in the chat with the specific contact or specific group. Number 10. Forward messages. You can tap and hold a message, then select Forward to share it with another contact or group. Number 11. Use WhatsApp live location. You can share your live location with a contact or group on WhatsApp for a set amount of time. Tap on the attachment icon in a chat, and then you can select location, and then select share live location. You can choose how long you want to share your live location for. Number 12. Use WhatsApp desktop app. You can use WhatsApp on your computer by downloading the desktop app from the WhatsApp website. Once downloaded, open the app and scan the QR code with your phone to connect your account. Number 13. Use WhatsApp disappearing messages. You can enable disappearing messages for specific chats on WhatsApp. Go to the chat you want to enable disappearing message for, and then tap on the contact or group name at the top of the chat and select disappearing message. Okay, you can choose the timer here, for example, like 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or if you want to disable it, just select off. Number 14. Use WhatsApp multi-device support. You can use WhatsApp on multiple devices at the same time with multi-device support. Go to Setting and then Link Devices to see which devices are linked to your WhatsApp account. Number 15. Use WhatsApp payment QR code. You can receive payment on WhatsApp by generating a QR code. Go to Setting and select Payment and then select QR code to generate your code and receive payment. Number 16. Use WhatsApp animated sticker. You can use animated sticker in your chats on WhatsApp. Tap on the sticker icon in a chat to access the sticker library. Then select animated sticker to browse and add new sticker on your chat. Number 17. Use WhatsApp vacation mode. You can enable vacation mode on WhatsApp to mute archived chats and prevent them from being unarchived when new messages are received. You go to Setting and select Notification and then select vacation mode to enable this feature. Number 18. Use WhatsApp dark mode on desktop. You can enable dark mode on the WhatsApp desktop app for a more comfortable viewing experience. Go to Setting and then select Appearance and then select Theme and select Dark to enable dark mode. Or you can also customize it by swiping down from the top right of your screen. Then you will go to the control center. Just tap on the brightness slider here and you can turn on or off the dark mode on this icon. Number 19. Use WhatsApp voice and video messages. You can record and send voice and video messages in your chat on WhatsApp. Tap and hold the microphone or camera icon in the text box to record your message, then release it to send it. Number 20. Use WhatsApp disappearing photo and video. You can send disappearing photo and video on WhatsApp that disappear after they've been viewed. Tap on the camera icon in a chat, take a photo or video, then select View Once before sending to enable this feature. Number 21. Use WhatsApp group description. You can add a description to your WhatsApp group to provide more information to group members. Go to the group chat, tap on the group name at the top of the chat, then select group description to add or edit the description. Number 22. Use WhatsApp status privacy. You can customize the privacy setting for your WhatsApp status update. How to do it? You open your WhatsApp, then go to Setting, and then select Privacy, and then select Status to choose who can see your status update. Number 23. Use WhatsApp Quick Action button. You can use Quick Action button in your chats on WhatsApp to easily access certain features. Swipe left on a chat and tap on the Quick Action button to quickly call, message, or mute the chat. Number 24. Use WhatsApp catalogs. If you have a business, you can create a catalog of your products or services on WhatsApp Business only. Go to Catalog in the app to create and manage your catalog. Number 25. Use WhatsApp search filter. You can use search filter to narrow down your search results on WhatsApp. Go to the chat tabs, tap on the search bar, then select filter. Number 26. Change chat wallpaper. You can change the chat wallpaper on WhatsApp to personalize your chats. Tap on setting in the bottom right corner, then tap on chats and chat wallpaper. Then choose a new wallpaper that you want to select. Select this and then select chat. After that, your wallpaper will change. Number 27. Back up your chats. WhatsApp allows you to back up your chat to iCloud or Google Drive. To back up your chats, go to Setting and then select Chat and then Chat Backup and select the backup option you want. For example, daily, weekly, or monthly, or you want to disable it by pick off. Number 28. Archive chats. If you want to hide a chat from your main chat list, you can archive it. Swipe left on the chat you want to archive and you can tap on Archive. Number 29. Pin chat. You can also pin important chats to the top of your chat list for quick access. Swipe right on the chat you want to pin and tap on Pin. Number 30. Block contacts. To block a contact on WhatsApp, go to their chat, tap on their name at the top, and scroll down, and you can tap on Block Contact. If you want to confirm it, you can tap on Block again. Number 31. Mute chat. If you want to mute notification from a specific chat, you can swipe left on the chat and tap on Mute. You can select for specific time that you want to mute this contact. Number 32. Reply to messages. You can reply to a specific message in a chat by long pressing on the message and tapping on Reply. This will quote the message and allow you to type your reply. Number 33. Use WhatsApp Business. If you have a business, you can use WhatsApp Business to connect with customers and manage your business profile. Download the app from the App Store and you can follow the setup process. Number 34. Enable two-factor authentication. To secure your WhatsApp account, you can enable two-factor authentication. How to do this? You open your WhatsApp, then go to Setting, and then select Account, and then select two-step verification, and you can follow the instruction. Number 35. You can make WhatsApp disappear from your iPhone main screen by creating a fresh folder and chucking the app inside it. Then, shift the folder to the last page of your screen and you're done. Alternatively, give a long hold to the WhatsApp application and you can toss it out from your screen. Number 36. Do away with your WhatsApp call history by going to the call menu, then swipe away to the left of the phone history contact you want to delete specifically and hit delete. Or else, access the call menu, select Edit in the top left corner, and get rid of your phone history one by one, or hit everything with the clear tab in the top right corner. If you click Done in the upper left corner, you all set. Number 37. Ensure that certain contacts don't have access to your profile picture on WhatsApp. Head to Setting and then select Privacy and then Profile Photo. Then you can select My Contact Accept to customize your setting. Number 38. Mention a specific person in a group chat by using the @ symbol followed by their name. This way, you can notify them specifically. Number 39. Don't fancy seeing your friend's status update on WhatsApp? No problem. Go to status and you can tap and hold your mate's status. Then you can select mute. Or you can swipe away your pal's status to the left, then click mute. Number 40. You can add new contact to WhatsApp by scanning their QR code. You can check out setting and QR code to access your own QR code or scan someone else's. Number 41. Lock your WhatsApp account with fingerprint or Face ID to keep it secure. Go to setting and then select privacy. You can toggle on the screen lock option. Before you toggle on, to use screen lock, you need to set up Face ID on your iPhone. How to do it? You can go to the iPhone setting and tap Face ID and passcode to get started. Number 42. Disable WhatsApp read receipt on iPhone to keep things private. How to do it? Go to setting and then select privacy and you can toggle off the read receipt option here. 43. Have fun with group video and voice call on WhatsApp. You can make group calls with up to 8 people. Simply start a call with one person, then tap on the Add Participant icon to add more people on your video call. Number 44. If you change your phone number, you can easily transfer your WhatsApp account to your new number. How to do this? Go to Setting and then select Account and you can select Change Number. Number 45. To delete your WhatsApp account, you go to the Setting and select Account and you can select Delete My Account to delete your account here. Number 46. Delete a message for everyone in a chat within a certain time frame by pressing on the message and tapping on Delete. Select Delete icon and then you can choose Delete for everyone. Number 47. You can send and receive documents on WhatsApp such as PDF and Word document. You can tap on the attachment icon in a chat and select document to send a document. Number 48. You can customize your media upload quality on WhatsApp to reduce data usage. Go to Setting and then select Storage and Data and select Media Upload Quality to customize your setting, like automatically best quality or data saver here. Number 49. You can format your text on WhatsApp by using symbols. For instance, put an asterisk before and after a word or press to make it bold. For example, I'm saying hello. When I put asterisk symbol, then it will be bold. And you can use an underscore for italic mode or italic format. And you can use a tilde for strike through form. And lastly, number 50. You can also make a status using your voice. How to do this? Open the status menu and tap on the pencil icon here and then tap and hold the microphone. Then you can speak anything. After finish, you can release the microphone. After that, you can preview by the tap on the play button. Then you can speak anything. After finish, you can release the microphone. After you okay with that, you can select the contact who want to view your status. If you already setting it, you can tap down, then you can send it. Then your voice status will be sent on your status. And that's it for our video on 5 tips and tricks to master WhatsApp on your iPhone. We hope you found these tips helpful and can use them to enhance your WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!